Imagine that woman family up here so wicked girl from long time. You're right, too much blood letter. Tina Chin, why do you feel like people are spreading misinformation when the people who you're conversing with, right? When you made this live about 15 hours ago, you lying to them. See, that's the problem. The problem is not social media. It's some of the people that are just like you who are in denial. But you are in denial of all the lies that you have been saying out here, and it ain't never gonna fly. You should have kept your mouth shut. You, out of all people, should have kept your mouth shut and give those people, those folks that you done lied on their people, and have them to do extra stuff when it was not the time, right? So stop lying, Tina Chin. Stop lying. Y'all be wanting everybody to come out here and feel sorry for y'all. That's exactly what you be wanting to do. Knowing that all of it. That's why Ping Ping is a very important character. You need to stop it. Right? Now, don't respect people who ain't not in the living no more, you know. That's why when the days are numbered. The Lord have many things for enough to do. You think I joke? You should never open up your fucking mouth. You should give the family at least that. And if it's me or your life this morning, it wouldn't be you. Because I'm standing next to you. Either me I tell a lie or you tell a lie. You shouldn't keep your mouth shut. That's what you should have did. Where you create tribute. You shouldn't take that tribute and put it underneath your ass, and that you shouldn't do. Maybe people in the Jamaican community don't understand, but I understand you. You're very ignorant. If you wanted to give a tribute, the tribute should have been, I apologize for all the that I've done. Everybody keep on talking about it's done with everything. With all due respect, them people are wicked before never put blood upon them. And I'm tired of it. You think me not gonna come around and spin a block? Anything me ask for, that's it. How do y'all think people feel when they sit down and cock up and at social media every day? All the thing people really feeling at them family. Only for run with that girl here. Cause all you know I do every day, I just keep up with slackness. Every bug day. Slackness, that's why nothing ever gonna change. The people them always feel good and look upon them like shit. You hear that? And all you know I do, I contribute to them long time wicked blood here. You think I give a fuck out now to look for me? Now just there, yo, child. No found go down, you know. No found go down. If you no go down by man, what you do things to? You go and go down because you not going to have to pay for every thing what you do out there. So whether it be secret or out loud, I mean not ask nobody nothing this morning. Have manners if you have manners to the woman and her family them. And that you have to do. Imagine if me do the things then because me not have no time for telling you nothing, you know. Remember, you know? Imagine if I was Tina Chin and I did all of the things that I know I fucking do. Remember me keep on asking you, where's the video? Where the video there? You're right, too much blood letter. And if I never the goodness of the Lord, you fuck people. And them success. Me not in no ramping with nobody. And anybody think them too big for the Lord, then go out in there then. Because I'm a fucking idiot. Yo. Y'all are the ones that make me say, you know what? Jamaican people play too much. On a done here. But I get it already. And all of them do a loop on people. And they don't understand. And just a chat. And condone too much wickedness. That's what it's gonna boil down to. I'm perfectly correct in what I say. When I stumble over my words. Dirty girl, if you have manners. To be honest. The death that you put up on your life, Tina Chen, out here on social media for so many years. Ain't that man favoring you for you to change your ways? We all know that woman. Now, bitch, she not here no more. I know a lot of y'all wicked people out here on a love for fuck with the unliving and on. I know what you did wrong. And you even put them up to show if them wicked are you wickeder. It's in my phone. These motherfuckers ain't got no respect for the unliving no more. I see signs. When in a year fucking stop. When you don't want to stop. Now you don't notice. No. Can't fucking talk to me. Imagine that woman family and your blood clot up here so wicked girl from long time. You see from experience the difference with me and Uno. Anything me say out of my mouth of experience. I don't want to go down the road and tell you no more. You just keep looking like a clot idiot. I like you not have no sense. You know what, yo? You hear me? Not one time you come out here for social media because you're old foot. But for the last 5 years, remember say me no want no money, me no want nothing for it. It's wrong. You hear that? Idiot. It's wrong. Shut your fuck while these people are grieving. You don't understand when the Lord are trying. You don't see that he move different. If him move like Uno.
Followers.
If you could speak up for yourself, then you wouldn't put so much people's life in a blood danger. But you're lukewarm now. You better tell them how snappy you used to be, dirty girl. You done fool too many followers in your 5 years of these people. But for all of the other years that these people cannot fucking understand. And it's a shame. You can't go ask anybody of the last 13 years. Go back to that number and walk up slowly and ask real people if what this little girl is saying. I'm not worrying about Uno. Uno too deaf. No, you cannot save everybody. But the Lord have him rightfully blessed some people. And it ain't nothing that they can do about it. And I don't see why, when time people get them blood clot blessing from God, why them have to shut up. When them bitches they never shut up. When it was for them time. So when them look upon people now, it's hate. Because they feel like they should have been there. You can't chat to me on a deaf. Those innocent people that watches you and don't know nothing, they really shouldn't. They should take a step back and just look. Don't hate because somebody else hate. What the fuck? What is y'all?
You know, these people, it's just sad that the young lady who passed on, from what I heard.
Bitch, don't speak up on her. Respectfully, don't, Tina. Because I'm going to tear your asshole out the frame in truth. Do not speak up on her in the name of Jesus. Don't speak up on her. You ain't give not one rat's ass. On Saturday, you ain't like her. So keep that shit. Lord, I ask you to touch Miss OJ, as I will call her all the time. Because we could clearly see things, and I'm not with the mix-up. But bless her family, Jesus. May you give them the comfort that they need. You don't have to know one to tell one, but I'm a customer, and I will say it, Jesus, because you know it's wrong. And as a person that is grieving like me freshly, I am asking you, show them that comfort. And whoever may be connected to her, friends, co-workers, and Miss OJ family, I apologize for the ignorancy in a time like this. And out of my grieving, I would take time out and just do that. And may God give y'all comfort and just keep pressing on. Drunk or spirit of fly about the place. If I make gonna sit down back and feel all type of way, don't. Press on. And I pray that He give y'all the comfort that y'all need. Because this is overboard ignorancy. And my job and my occupation allow me to say whatever I want to say when it ain't right. God bless y'all. In a time like this, you know how wicked you are. And you know that these people is lukewarm. And you constantly keep on making people believe in these everyday fuckery and nonsense. And they are acting like something is wrong with you, like you the Lulu. Nothing is wrong with you, Tina. You didn't even give this man a chance yet. And all the wrongs you doing. So you will want somebody to say, yeah, what if that was your daughter? But it ain't even like that. I want that baby girl. I want that baby girl to get the healing that she needs. And let His will be done and nobody else's. Tina, when I tell you the truth, and I could stand next to you and don't hate you, but tell you the right truth, that don't mean I hate you, Tina. You know how wicked you are. And I see things very different. You name whatever platform you feel like. I am different from everybody, Tina. Because everybody deserves a fair chance. And at the same token of me being this person and this person that I am, I don't report to nobody. I report back to Him. You hear me? A lot of your wrongdoings, I told you about it. 85 to 95% of it. I hope you remember it.
She wasn't that type of person to be in drama, and from the looks of everything.
And you know it, and by association in your head, not no one else's, some things happen behind your name because I made a video. And you wanted to exercise your wickedness. And lately I have heard in a video that was playing somewhere, you said something very, very important. I bet you won't make me lay hand on that video or go to that corner that I heard it and play just that part. Just so I could tell the people and you could tell the people ain't shit about what I'm telling you, because you represent the dark side and you know it. Yeah, your mouth will hang you. Yes. Forget the people that you hate on social media that is successful. The least you could have did was give her family that respect. And someone had to clean up your shit. Park it and apologize to her entire, don't miss a soul, her family. Because I know what I'm saying. You know what it feels like in my book, Tina? It's for a motherfucker who is wicked like you. It's to show up after you done something to somebody. You the wicked witch without the broom that'll show up at the funeral. And we're all black. And them people don't know it's you who did it. But it's not this case. But you have done wrong. No need to speak. Because prior of you knowing all of this, what you just say, before her transition, whatever day the Lord called her home for his own teaching, you, the day right before that, so it could have been on a Sunday, everybody heard it. Well, you see that Saturday, sweetie? By in your head, association. You didn't like her. Point blank and period. You hear me? You can fool man, but you can't fool God. And you should have had more manners, and some of you motherfuckers should have more manners to the people who he made just like him. You see, he picked all different type of people to do his job. Go and read the same book that y'all been reading for years. Y'all can't close it now. Don't close. Keep reading. After y'all done, go do it. Go exercise. Go do the assessment. You should have kept your essay to yourself. You should have bowed your head in your secret fucking prayer, baby, and say, you know what, may God rest her soul. And I would have respected that. I said what I said, and I mean what I said. And all due respect of the family and everything else that the Lord knows is wrong. When I do things like this, all I do is just create more people becoming just like them. But you know what? Hey, all right. I know something like yo. Hey, good people, right this time, yeah?
Not going to entertain that. I'm a grown person. And as an adult who has emotional intelligence, I can look past certain things. There are some people who are unable to do so. They're stuck on petty. They're stuck on war. They're stuck on tyranny. Like, they cannot look...
You make me sick. You see, the Lord know that the people don't want to hear you no more. But it's a place that you got to go back to. I'm not afraid to confront you of your foolishness and all your wrongdoing. And all you doing on your everyday ignorancy is this. Prove me to be right. Because I know I did everything. I know what it'll feel like. You should have kept your mouth shut. You should have just shut up. And you know it.
Beyond certain things and say, you know what, let me just put this aside for once and just be just being neutral. They can't do that. There are people who lack the ability to be neutral because everywhere they go, they have to take their...
The way how you was acting, sweetie, on a couple of your old lives, and it come all the way back, you full of shit. You need to hear some of your old life. You would have swore somebody was doing you something. And it turned out not.
Everywhere.
Oh no, I got cause a whole heap. Oh no. See, I'm just here to warn you. All of them idiot that we are talking about, me threaten people and all of them something there. Let me tell you something here. Go ask Jesus. You understand? Because I'm not erase nothing.
Where they go, They have to take their dislikes about a person with them. And so because of that, it's hard for them to really...
Listen, that me say, that ain't no way of to do nothing. Me say me know that gal. When me say it's ignorancy, it's ignorancy. Y'all ain't gonna be, people ain't gonna believe nothing until back life start creeping up on their asses. And I want y'all to mark every word that I've ever said, because I ain't stupid on nothing out here. When I say nothing, don't miss it. Nothing.